Good evening, Ken at Tortoise Capital, nightly strategy podcast for Friday night, May 25th, 2024. Start with the sniper trades of the day. This is EWW, large gap up, bought the retracement, actually short of the retracement, standard risk box. After the R10 peaks, take the skin of the dragon exit, re-entered for a scratch, micro loss. Owl entry on the long side as it crossed the Bollinger Band main, getting ready to cross the VWAP, standard risk, took a half an hour here. In the afternoon, speculated on a collapsing dragon for half an hour. This is PBW. This was a gap up when it exceeded the a risk box off the low, north of the intraday VWAP. Speculated long for an R with a exit at the PSAR. Caught a 2 re-entry for 2R at the PSAR exit. Crossing the dragon, caught a 2 re-entry for -1. That was a stop and reverse for a scratch. Stop and reverse for a half. Caught a 2 for a half. So not much volatility today, just grinding through it. Traders. Hamad manages to squeeze 1R out of the sideways chop here. This follow through was good. We're not getting the harsh winters for these SSCs, and we're pretty much in the chop all day. Not much room to work in there. And we're stuck inside the Red River for all of these trades. And the same here, we're just getting ground up inside the river within pennies of the VWAP here. No move. So this is not an SSC because we don't have a harsh winter. Tim does a nice job with a couple sharp trades here in Merck, getting the collapsing dragon and a re-entry collapsing dragon with a great move. Yeah, just very choppy in EWZ today. There just wasn't much room to work. We'll make that up on bigger moving days. Kevin is able to squeeze out a 0.3 on a couple shorts here. And here as well. Weekend reports, bullish quiet. Still overbought long-term and very strong short-term. Volatility is abnormal, so there's a greater chance of sharp moves in either direction at these all-time highs. A couple of the indexes went below their 4-month moving average, so we're down to 80% exposed in ETF2. In the RLFF, the RL10 is taking a pause, but we like the RL30 that's making a strong move here. The 90 and the 270 are both pointing to the long side. Again, this is a natural pause at the all-time high, going into a long weekend, so that's understandable. Strong follow-throughs the past 2 weeks here in both the 9-day and the 3-day at all-time highs, well above the dragon in each case. Tech has resumed its leadership position. The top 3 indexes are all U.S. Finance gave back some here this week. Energy cycling down. It's almost ready for a rebound after strong sell-offs like that. So we'll be stocking Devon Energy for that reason. not much to see here. Apple stalled this week after a really strong recovery this month. I still think finance is an area of interest, although Goldman, AXP, and JP Morgan all gave back some this week. So I'm looking for a buy on dip opportunity. Metals and mining showing some strength here, green and white. Gold and silver have been leading the way, but got punished this week. So all good things come to an end. Not much to choose from in here. On the daily, we've seen the sniper trade of the day already. Head to dashboard one. Yeah, DIA and Latin America both offering buy on dip opportunities here. So we'll be mindful of that. Dow Tactical, NVIDIA is just knocking it out of the park. Hope you had a chance to participate in there. Home Depot making significant new lows here. That's a buy on dip opportunity. If we get to be the second mouse, that will be key. And the same with Cisco. It's not been participating in the run up in tech, so let's keep an eye on that one as an opportunity. In the ETFs, so near 10-day highs that the zero auto framers available. We saw the weakness in both Mexico and Brazil this week. Plenty of auto framers, given the how narrow the range was on Friday. That's not surprising. Some names that grab my attention: McDonald's, Home Depot, and JP Morgan. Not much to see on the NDX framework because of the narrow range and low volume from Friday. This pull back to the north side of the river, logical place to hold and rest, and so I think we're in a critical state for Tuesday after the long weekend. I'm expecting to see some fireworks on Tuesday. The 10-period pullback has postured for a rebound trade to the upside, and the 30 has sort of rebuilt confidence. And the 90 has cooled off enough that another round of buying here would not be surprising. And that's everything we got for tonight. Keep our risk measured and powder dry, and spend some time on Memorial Day thinking about those who have gone on ahead. Take good care.